The blogger renaissance. Why 2025 is the best time to build your online brand. In 2025, the blogging world is witnessing a powerful resurgence. While social media platforms are constantly shifting, blogs are becoming digital real estate for creators who want control over their voice and long-term content ownership. With platforms like Substack, Medium, and Ghost gaining popularity, creators are now monetizing newsletters, long-form posts, and gated content with more success than ever before. This shift reflects a growing fatigue with short-form algorithms and a desire for deeper, more meaningful engagement. In this new landscape, bloggers aren't just writers, they're CEOs of their own media empires, merging storytelling with brand strategy. Today's successful blogger is no longer just a diary writer or niche hobbyist. They're brand architects, personal media channels, and trusted thought leaders. Authenticity is now the highest currency. Readers crave behind-the-scenes stories, personal challenges, and raw, unfiltered insights. In 2025, microblogging on platforms like Threads or X, formerly Twitter, drives traffic to in-depth articles, while blogs serve as central hubs for courses, products, and personal branding. Bloggers are capitalizing on this momentum with smart SEO strategies, AI-assisted editing tools, and mobile-first content that ranks and converts. But blogging isn't just about the words anymore. Visual identity is becoming a vital part of blog success. Canva-powered graphics, bold typographic headlines, and branded color palettes are drawing readers in before they even read the first line. Bloggers who build visual storytelling into their brand, think mood boards, mini infographics, and quote carousels, are the ones getting shared, pinned, and screenshotted. With TikTok-style vertical visuals making their way into blog design, creators now use strong imagery to spark curiosity and create an instantly recognizable aesthetic. Looking forward, monetization opportunities for bloggers in 2025 are more diverse than ever. From affiliate marketing and paid subscriptions to downloadable resources and exclusive communities, bloggers are no longer reliant on ad revenue alone. Partnering with ethical brands, launching digital products, and offering consulting or coaching has become the norm. The key: consistent, value-driven content that keeps readers returning. In a world of scroll fatigue, the blog is once again a sanctuary, a place where attention is earned, not chased.